Hello, welcome to my channel, Comfy Science Tutorial, where we explore the wonders of science, one experiment at a go. Let's get started. We are going to look on a topic from a general topic we discussed before now, bases. We are going to look at this topic, physical properties of bases and alkalis. Now, what are the when we talk about physical properties? It simply means what that is overt, what you can see about a particular, maybe a particular substance. So we are going to look at the physical properties of bases and alkalis. One of the physical properties of base is this. Bases, when you see a base, it has what we call bitter taste. The taste of bases are bitter. The base are substances that turn red litmus paper to blue. Base turn red litmus paper to blue. The alkalis, they have soapy feel. When you touch an alkalis, because it is a substance used in the production of soap, they are soapy. You find out that concentrated form of this causative alkalis like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide have a powerful corrosive action. Now, chemical properties of bases and alkalis. The chemical should be a property that a substance is known by in the laboratory. Now, how do they react? The first chemical properties of bases slash alkalis is this. The base, they react with what we call acid. All base react with acids to form what we call salts and water only. Now, let's say for example, this kind of reaction, we refer it as neutralization reaction. This is a base, sodium hydroxide reacting with hydrochloric acid. Sodium hydroxide is a base. Hydrochloric acid is an acid. When it reacts with when the two react, they form what we call salt and water. Another chemical property of bases and acid is reaction with ammonium salts. Alkalis react with ammonium salt, and by the time they react with ammonium salt, they end up forming what we call ammonia gas. Now, preparation. How is base or alkalis being prepared? We've seen the physical property, the chemical properties. How are they prepared? One of the ways the bases or alkalis can be prepared is mostly by they prepare with most metals combined directly with oxygen. By the time they combine with oxygen when heated, you end up they form basic oxide. That is the first preparation. Most metals combine directly with acid when heated, then they form basic oxide. That is just like calcium reacting with oxygen to form what we call calcium oxide. That is Ca plus O, forming CaO. Then another way it can be prepared is by what we call soluble oxides of metals dissolving in water to give us alkalis, the alkalis. When soluble bases dissolve, they give us alkalis. Another way bases and alkalis can be prepared is some metals. You find out that some metals react with water, and when they react with water, they produce what we call alkalis and hydrogen gas. When they react, they produce alkalis and hydrogen gas. The fourth way of preparation of bases and alkalis is by thermal decomposition of what we call metal hydroxide. Thermal has to do with heat. The composition of hydroxide will give you base. Then you have it by maybe heating a slag lime when in a dilute sodium or potassium triisocarbonates. 4. These are the ways alkalis stroke base can be prepared laboratory. So keep exploring, keep questioning. I will see you in my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.